Hello, what is happening? Today I'm heading up north with my wife because we're going to stay in a lodge for a couple of days up at Loch Linnhe in Scotland. The cottage is actually on the loch. Like, you walk out the balcony and then the loch is just there. It looks absolutely amazing in the photos online. On the way we're going to stop at the Three Sisters viewpoint. If you've heard of this before, it is a very, very popular viewpoint in Scotland. Pretty much you park up and you've got the view of three massive mountains. It's meant to be one of the most beautiful places in Scotland to take photos. So we're gonna stop there, get a few photos, and then head along to the lodge. So all that coming right up. Hello, we just got to the Three Sisters viewpoint and it's absolutely stunning. There's one mountain up there, there's one, there's another one, and then right behind me there is the third one. This place is, like, you can't even describe it. You need to see it with your own eyes, but I've got some drone footage of the surrounding area. I think the footage I got was pretty good, and I also got some photos, so be sure to check out Instagram at Majestic Hive. This was definitely a worthwhile stop, but it's absolutely freezing, so I'm heading back to the car now, and we're gonna head along to the lodges. So here's that drone footage. We just got to Loch Linnhe Lodges, and the first thing I noticed was the unique style of the buildings that are here. You've kind of got your lodges with the roof, it's like almost on the ground, and then you've got your entrance to the side of the lodge, and then you've got your huge balcony at the back of the lodge that leads onto the massive loch behind us. It has just started raining, so I'll not be getting the drone up tonight, but we are here for a couple of days, so I'm hoping to get it up at some other point. But for just now, after that 3-hour journey, I'm gonna grab a beer and chill out. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you can, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Whoa, champagne's open.
Oh,